In this lesson, we'll try to discuss about what are all available in R language regarding interactive computation, that is, using R as a calculator. That is, how we can use the R console as a calculator. R language supports variety of operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators also. Incidentally, these operators are meaningful not only for simple scalar quantities but also vectors and lists. However, in this lesson, we'll try to understand about these operators, how they will work on scalar, that is simple values. We have in our language unary plus unary minus. They are as good as our mathematics. That is, in mathematics, plus 10 means 10 only. Minus 10 is minus 10. Like this, these operators, whatever available in mathematics, unary operators, plus and minus, they are equally meaningful in R language also. If we want to compute sum of two numbers, for example 2 plus 3 we can simply enter 2 plus 3 at the R prompt, that is greater than prompt. The result will be shown as 5. One important aspect about R language, about operators. Everyone has to remember this fact, that these operators are also considered or implemented as functions in R language. Because of this, if you enter 2 plus 3, we will get 5. Even if we enter 2 plus 3 also, we will get 5. This is the important difference between normal mathematics and R behavior. Everyone has to understand this difference. Similarly, minus operator, that is binary version of minus. Unary minus, everyone knows. Already we have discussed about it. Now binary minus, 2 minus 3, you will get minus 1. As explained earlier, 2 minus 3 is acceptable. This statement may not be acceptable in mathematics, but here it is acceptable, even without spaces also. In programming languages, probably with space, this statement becomes valid, whereas in R language, without space also it is acceptable. 2 minus 3, that is minus of minus plus, so we get 5. Two minus 3, that is minus, so 3 becomes minus 3. 2 minus 3, you will get minus 1. This statement is not valid in any of the programming languages like C, etc. Whereas here it is acceptable. Maybe we can use 2 minus 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 plus 3. That is, we can mix up minus 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 and plus also in between, etc. These things are acceptable in our language. Similarly, 2 into 3, 6. So this is a simple multiplication. In our language, 2 into 3 works like a power operation. That is, it works like a 2 cube. So we'll get 8. So that's those people who wants to raise something to the power of something, this into operator is supposed to be used. However, if we try to use 2 into 3, this is not a valid statement. Similarly, we can use division operator. 100 by 2 will get 50. Also, general expression involving numerical quantities. For example, 2 plus 3 into 4. It works just like mathematics. That is, we'll be getting results as 14. Two plus 3 into minus 4 will be getting minus 10. Again, here you can see the beautiness of R. This statement may not be acceptable in programming languages. That is, into after that minus without any space is not going to be acceptable statement in majority of the programming languages. In mathematics also, this is considered to be little ambiguous. We are required to put brackets if we wanted that minus 4 has to be taken as minus 4. However, R has intelligent parsing utility. Thus, we'll get the statement accepted and we'll get results as minus 10. Now the statement 2 into 3 into 2, that is 2 to the power of 3 and 3 to the power of 2, that is you will be getting results as 512. This is a valid statement in R. The following statement is also valid statement in R. This statement also very valid statement in R. That is 2 to the power of minus 3. For that minus 3, we want to have 3 as power. That is wholly 2 to the power of minus 27. The results we are getting as 7.450581 e to the power of minus 9. R supports a modulus operator. Symbol for this is percentage percentage. 10 percentage percentage 3. The result is 1. Modulus value is 1. R also supports another operators known as division operator. For example, 10 modulus divided by modulus 3. We are going to get result as 3. That is 10 is divisible with 3 times. Rather I say it is more like an integer division operation. Ten modulus divided by modulus 3 modulus 2. Result is 1. That is 10 divided by 3. Result is 3. For that we are applying the modulus operator with 2. Thus the remainder is 1. This type of operators use is possible in R language. R supports relational operators such as greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, equal to, not equal to. They are all akin to C language. They work in the same fashion. However, the result will be here shown as either false or true. For example, 2 greater than 3, the result will be false. Is 2 less than 3? Yes, so results will be true. 2 greater than or equal to 3? No, false results. 2 is it less than or equal to 3? Yes, we'll get result as true. 2 is it equal to 3? No, you'll get results as false. Is 2 not equal to 3? Yes, we'll get results as true. R also supports logical and logical OR operators, which are same as C language. The symbols for logical AND is AND symbols, whereas R is two piping symbols. They are as good as C language, and they work in the same fashion as C language. The result of logical AND, logical OR operators will be either true or false. For example, 2 greater than 3 or 2 less than 3, the results will be true. Similarly, 2 less than 3 and 3 greater than 2, yes, both the conditions are true, the result will be true. Verify how 2 plus 3 into 4 minus 4 plus 3 results becomes 21.